Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi S3. This model has a 2-litre TFSI engine, producing 310 PS, and a 0 to 60 time up to just 5.2 seconds. This model has had one previous owner. With this being an Audi Match model, it means it comes with 1 month warranty, which can extend to 2 years for an additional cost. Starting at the front of the car, we have the S-design body styling, including the aeronet grills, radiator grille and front bumper, giving this a menacing front end, while as standard we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stylish 18-inch 5 twin-spoke star design alloy wheels, which look great, and complement the stunning Tango Red paintwork perfectly, and even though there's some slight damage to some of the alloys, they can be repaired prior to collection of the vehicle. There's also aluminium effect door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, aluminium side and door trim strips, as well as the optional rear privacy glass, really setting off the menacing exterior look. While moving inside, you'll see that even though there's a nimble profile, there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while accessing the rear seats couldn't be easier by using the toggle to fold the front seats forward. Even though the rear seats are more suited to children and younger adults, it is surprisingly spacious in the back, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper and rear diffuser, giving this a menacing overall look, while we also have the dual branch chrome tailpipes, which sound amazing, especially in dynamic mode. To access the boot, just hold the button on the key or use a soft release on the hatch. For a nimble hatchback, this has a large boot with 330 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding your shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture, and once you've loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a really stylish performance hatchback. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays on the dashboard, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the manual gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also front sport seats, upholstered in fine Nappa leather, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and electrically adjustable mirrors. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi S3. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you we have a flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, with buttons to control the colour driver's information system you see ahead of you, as well as the infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we have these toggle switches, which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display fuel range, average consumption, mileage, as well as time of driving. This model has 148,471 miles, while even though it's past its warranty, it will come with a 12-month warranty upon purchase, as well as the original set of 2 keys. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation. You can also change the main display if you'd like. If speed is your main focus, you can have the digital speedometer with the general car information displayed below, but if it's too distracting, you can have the reduced display on, which hides the information. But our personal favourite is the onboard computer, as it's the most informative. As standard, we have the 7-inch multimedia interface Radio Plus display screen, which is also electrically retractable for when you don't need it. Press the button on the centre console, and it neatly folds away into the dashboard, but press the button again and it will pop back up. On the centre console, we have the MMI controller dial, which you can use to easily navigate through the system on the move without taking your eyes off the road. There's also shortcut switches, such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations. media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and auxiliary, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping. There's also Audi's smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via USB, so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty of modes to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options, such as the engine sound. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the rear parking sensors, really adding extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the dual zone electronic climate control, with step controls for the passenger and driver, with plenty of capability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move, without taking our eyes off the road. While we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. Not only that, but as standard, we also have Audi's famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, so you can be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. This was the walk around of the Audi S3. If you'd like to join your viewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.